Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of vocabulary one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is broadcast. It's a B2 level verb that means to transmit media. So, what exactly does it mean to broadcast something? In simple terms, it means to transmit signals or content, such as radio or television programs, so that they can be received by a large audience. Think of it like throwing a party and inviting everyone you know to hear or see something. The goal is to reach as many people as possible. Now, let's delve a little deeper and explore some synonyms for broadcast. One common synonym is transmit. For example, instead of saying the BBC will broadcast the football match, you could say the BBC will transmit the football match. Both sentences convey the same meaning that the BBC will send out the audio and video signals of the game for people to watch and listen to. Another synonym is air. We often hear that a show will air on a certain date. For example, the new episode of a series will air next Tuesday at 8 p.m. This is synonymous with saying it will be broadcast next Tuesday. A further synonym is relay. Relay suggests passing something on, like a message or information. The news channel will relay the president's speech live. This means the channel will broadcast or transmit the speech as it is happening. Let's look at some examples with these synonyms. The radio station transmitted the emergency weather alert to warn residents. The documentary will air on PBS next week. The satellite will relay the signal to the ground station. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that mean the opposite of broadcast. A good antonym is receive. While broadcast means to send out, receive means to take in. For example, the radio station broadcast the news versus I received the news on my phone. Another antonym could be conceal. To conceal something is to hide it, the direct opposite of putting it out for everyone to see or hear. For instance, the government chose to conceal the information from the public, whereas the government decided to broadcast the information to the public. Another antonym is suppress, meaning to prevent something from being known or expressed. You might say, the dictator suppressed freedom of speech, contrasting with the network broadcast diverse opinions. To see these antonyms in action, consider these sentences. I received the message loud and clear. They tried to conceal their involvement in the scandal. The regime attempted to suppress the protests. So, how can you use broadcast in your everyday life? Well, anytime you're talking about sharing information widely, whether it's a news update, a sports game, or even your thoughts, you can use this word. For example, you might say, I'm going to broadcast my opinion on social media, or the company will broadcast its quarterly earnings report. You could also say, the Weather Channel will broadcast a severe storm warning later today. Here are some more examples of broadcast in sentences and phrases. The concert was broadcast live to millions of viewers around the world. The company uses social media to broadcast its marketing messages. The government is using television to broadcast public health information. The politician used his speech to broadcast his vision for the country. The event will be broadcast on all major networks. We can also use it figuratively. She broadcast her excitement about the new job to everyone she met. He broadcast his complaints throughout the office. To summarize, broadcast is a B2 level verb that means to transmit media. Synonyms include transmit, air, and relay. Antonyms include receive, conceal, and suppress. You can use it to describe sharing information widely through various media channels. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me on this wordy adventure. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review on your favorite podcast platform. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary too. And now for your challenge. Try creating your own sentence using the word broadcast and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.
Goodbye.